Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will talk about the minimum checkout requirements on Temu and what we can do if we keep getting a minimum amount warning when trying to place an order. We will explain how it works and share some helpful tips. On the Temu dashboard, all we need to do to remove the minimum checkout is click the support option, then choose Chat with Temu Now. To start the chat, simply type Remove Checkout Limits in the chat box. Let's wait for a reply. Once we get a response, we just need to say, no, we still want to remove the order limit. Next, we just need to type Remove Restriction so that it can be processed. As we can see, the minimum limit has now changed. The team will review our request. We just need to wait, and they will remove the minimum limits from our account. That covers everything about the minimum checkout on Temu. While we may not always be able to remove it completely, these steps can help us manage our orders more easily.